Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to swap the actors from a video just by using the AI. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step by step. You can see now I have two videos. This is the original video and this is the result video. For each of the frame, you can see the whole actor already swapped to my own actor. And I'm using the AI just by using the iClone 8 AI Studio. So I'm going to show you all the details step by step. Let's go. Alright, the first step, make sure you already prepare your own video. This is an MP4 that acts as the original video. You want to swap the face, swap the whole AI actor. You want to swap the whole character. And the second, make sure you already prepare a picture of the actor that you want to swap. This is just a PNG image. So what you need to do is just open the iClone 8 AI Studio, go to the video generator, then just go to the edit. Then here, the reference actor, you have to just upload the actor that you want to swap. Your AI actor, just click plus, go to the destination, the target female 01 PNG, upload it. Next, you have to upload your target video. Which one is your original video? You have to upload to here, the sample video. And then you can just click generate. Click generate. Then just wait for a few seconds. It is going to generate. It is going to swap the actors on your target video. Just wait for a few seconds here. Now it is 4%. You just need to wait. Alright, now it's already done. You can see, if you try to play, right, so how to save this video? You can just right click the recent task, click find file. It is going to show in the folder. Right click, find file. This is the MP4. You can just double click and play with any of the player. So now you can see I already successfully swapped the actors on the target video, change the original actors in the target video to become my reference actor just by using a piece of picture. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings about 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you.